Higa ako. Higa.
Higa ka?
Dito. Higa.
Alright, so it's a beautiful Sunday morning, everyone. Today is August 3 of 2025, Sunday morning. What a beautiful Sunday morning. It's a sunny day today. So for today's video, we're gonna declutter things that is no longer useful inside our home. So this morning, after 6 months na nawala si Mama, so we decided na i-declutter na yung kanyang hospital bed na nagamit niya sa loob ng 5 araw from January 25 to January 30. So nagamit yan ng 5 days ni Mother. So i-declutter na natin or i-declutter na namin kasi medyo pag nakikita namin nare-remind kami yung situation ni Mama before. So kaya better na i-declutter na lang para magamit ng kung sino man. So malungkot pero kailangan para hindi tayo nakukulong sa mapuot na pinagdaanan. At alam naman namin na okay na si Mama ngayon. Nag-video ko para makita ko yung paglabas ng hospital bed pero ewan ko ba, paharang-harang si Ate Abigail. So, i-declutter na yan kasabay ng suction. Yung suction ay phlegm remover yan. Bagay na bagay yan sa may hika, sa may pulmonya, sa may pneumonia. Kasi kapag ka ang patient hindi na or wala ng capability na maglabas ng plema by her own or by his own, kailangan gamitan na ng suction. At makakagamit lang yan ay it's either doctor or nurse. So hindi naman namin yan magagamit dito. So better na i-declutter na lang natin para magamit ng kung sino man, no? Ayaw pa nga sana ipasabay ni Ate Abigail yung foam ng hospital bed pero kailangan ma-dispose na yan. Kasi every time na nakikita natin yan, nare-remind tayo ng mga masilimuot na sitwasyon before. So better to have it disposed or decluttered. At mabuti na lang talaga, no, binigyan tayo ni Lord ng napakagandang Sunday morning. It's such a beautiful Sunday morning, everyone. So, thank you, Lord, sa magandang umaga at magandang araw na ipinagkaloob niyo po sa aming lahat. Pagka ganito kasi ang panahon, marami tayong pwedeng magawa, marami tayong activities na pwedeng ma-accomplish, no? So, for me, just this morning, one of my accomplishment is I get to manage sending this section and then hospital bed to someone na pwede makagamit nito. At kung narating nyo ang portion ng videong ito, maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking walang kabuluhang video. But I'm taking this video, I'm recording this video because I want to have it documented and preserved. Yun lang, maraming salamat everyone. See you on my next one. Bye-bye!